Hi, my name's Jamie Curran, and I graduated from the MIIPS program in 2017. Before the program, I had a background in mechanical engineering, and I was working as a process engineer for a medical device company. I didn't feel like it was tapping into all of my creative abilities or my ability to think about bigger, broader problems. So I felt like there was more out there for me. And I really enjoyed the product design elements of my undergrad program. So I was intrigued by design, but I didn't know how to get closer to it. When I was looking at grad programs, I was definitely looking for something that was interdisciplinary, brought together design, engineering, maybe business. And there are only a couple programs out there like that. And CMU was always at the top of my list. I knew they were known for interdisciplinary programs and interdisciplinary collaboration. So that was one of the first places I looked. Being in the program, I had a ton of fun. I loved working with people who thought differently than me, who had different skills than me, learning from them, tackling really hands-on problems. Every class was very hands-on and engaging. I really liked the flexibility to choose your own path and explore different spaces, which I think is really inherent to Carnegie Mellon's ethos. I liked that I wasn't pegged into one type of role. Some programs really focus on creating product managers, and I wasn't trying to do that. I wanted to explore. So I liked the flexibility of the program that you could really focus in different places. So I focused on research, but a lot of my classmates didn't, and they explored something else. So that was a great part of it. Before, I think I only thought of myself as an engineer, even though I think I was really a problem solver. And now I think of myself still as a problem solver, but also as a researcher, a designer, a strategist, just somebody who can tackle really any type of problem. And MIIPS definitely helped me do a real career pivot. I fully moved into design strategy consulting. My new chapter is just starting. I have a great network from Carnegie Mellon and from my last role, and I'm able just to be selective about the types of projects and problems that I want to think about and work on, so that's been exciting. Working in consulting, I have worked across many different industries, and innovation and design is definitely a common toolbox that you can take to any problem, I think, and I really learned the foundation of that process in MIIPS. I think especially when I first started consulting, it's really fast moving. I really leaned on that process that I learned and even went back to my school materials. So it was incredibly helpful, and I use that process every day. MIIPS makes a lot of sense if you want to understand the world of design and innovation, what kind of roles there are, what kind of work exists, and get a start on the skills you need to step into those spaces.